Hey, are you calling from No Kitchen Cooking?
Why, yeah, I am.
What are you doing? You need help? Are you broke down?
I ain't broke down. I drive a Toyota Tundra. I'm cooking hot dogs on my motor right now.
No way.
Yeah.
Does it work?
I don't know. All right, welcome back to No Kitchen Cooking. As you probably saw in the intro, the thumbnail, and the title, we are cooking hot dogs on my motor. Today we're going geocaching, which if you don't know what geocaching is, what is geocaching?
It's basically us bored tree huggers. We go out in the woods and find boxes that were placed there with GPS coordinates on that map.
Yeah, so it's like a treasure hunt with no treasure.
Treasures and like dollar store items.
Cool, like condoms and cigarettes.
Sometimes.
But it's 27 degrees out, so I figured we need something to warm our tummies. How about chili dogs? But I ain't got no time to cook these chili dogs, even though chili dogs are really easy to cook. Actually, I tried making up a reason why I wanted to cook it on the motor. I just want to cook on the motor.
We gotta try it.
We have to.
Bucket list item.
Yeah, so super simple. I'm just gonna wrap some hot dogs in foil, buns in foil, and take the wrapper off of chili, ornamental chili. Let's see what we get. We gotta take this off. Probably don't want this burning. Oh, we should have read the instructions. Maybe it would have told us how long to set it on our, oh no. Ugh. How long to set it on our motor, you know?
I'm surprised that wrapper came off that well.
Well, it's cheap chili, you know? All right, boom, boom. Then we're gonna throw the buns on later, but you for sure want a warm bun, don't you?
Yeah, sure.
With engine oil.
Sounds delicious.
So with it being 27 degrees out, we don't know if these will actually cook. We know the motor's hot, so if we get them on the motor or in there somewhere good, it should cook.
When was the last time you opened up the hood on this truck?
A few months,
Are we gonna lose our food?
maybe.
Which package is
Dude, it is not hot there.
that? Is that the dogs?
That's the dogs.
What if you set it right in here? That's on top of the thermostat. That coolant should be like 190 degrees. I think it's a good thing we stopped about 45 minutes from our destination.
That's solid.
That ain't going anywhere.
No.
All right, and the dogs?
Dogs are in here.
Dogs are right there.
I'll cook them.
And just throw the buns up here in the corner, just for sport? Or you want them a little warmer than that? Like what temperature do you like your buns?
I like my buns warm.
What if you just put the buns like right up here? Yeah, by the tranny cooler, behind the tranny cooler. Can you slide it in? Oh, we're gonna lose those going down the road.
All right, so we got buns here. We got our chili right here. We got our hot dogs over here. So let's see if we got hot dogs in 45 minutes or if stuff just goes everywhere and grenades my motor.
I bet the buns are warm because they're up there with the tranny cooler, and
No, there's so much cold air coming.
I think they're gonna be warm. It's behind the tranny cooler. The cold air is gonna blow across the tranny cooler, providing warmer air, and the buns are gonna be perfect.
All right, let's go.
Hot dogs, I think, are gonna be like, you need to throw them in 30 seconds longer in the microwave, which is a lot, and there's no way that chili stuff's gonna be warm at all. I bet.
What if it actually did get really hot and it blows the can out and it explodes all over everything and it's just a giant mess?
Your Toyota had too much Mexican. Boom!
My Toyota just had Taco Bell. All right, so it's been 40 minutes. We drove here to the geocache location. I guess it's like hidden things in the forest. When you cook steak, you know how you sear stuff. This is a reverse sear. I'm gonna reverse sear the hot dogs and give it a little more heat. Here we go.
4,000. We're giving them the 4,000 RPM treatment.
Yeah.
It's still going. I don't want to have to walk home. This Toyota's gonna throw a rod.
Oh, long now.
Package feel?
Right here, warm. Ice cold, warm. I smushed them a little bit.
To make them fit?
Do we have a toasted bun? Ice cold.
Dang it.
Get start.
Dang it.
Well, wait. Kind of warm there. Here we go. I don't know.
Not good? Not good?
Well, that one looks done. They're pretty cold.
Oh no.
Alright, let's go find this geocache and then go driving around. We'll just drive home.
We'll drive home after the geocache.
Yeah, and then hopefully by then, because if these aren't done, there's no way that this is even remotely close. Simon! Who's still?
Apparently someone still knows Simon. Simon Kendall.
Get a heading of 89 degree and then go 384 feet to the cache. Do I look like Christopher Columbus? This is a cooking show. You would think this tree would be a nice place to hide stuff. I thought we just cooked stuff on this channel. I feel like you're taking me right to it. Oh shoot, we're off. Oh shoot, we're off. So this is what people do when they don't hunt or fish?
Yeah.
It's not here. It's not here, dude. It is here. Do you see it right now?
No comment.
Can you see it?
The viewers know where it's at. That's all I'm gonna
You
say.
pointed at it? Wait, so you can see it? Can I walk past it? Is it up high?
I just did it, and you missed it.
I don't pay attention to you.
Well, keep looking around.
Hello?
Just making sure I got the zoom right.
I see it. Right there.
What the shit? Okay.
Someone put a hat in there?
Yep.
Yeah, some weird geocaches.
Gotham Asphalt, Clarksville.
But,
Alright, well, that was sketchy.
well, let's cut back to the cooking. We'll get back and see
Yeah.
what we got.
I should really fix that hood latch.
If we're gonna be trying this again, probably.
Alright,
All right, going for the buns.
buns. It's warm on the front. Is it warm on the back?
Oh, I guess that's the AC condenser on the back, so it's probably not. But it could be.
Yeah, they're warm. They look horrible and stale. Alright, dogs. I don't know. They look like they have a light smoke. They did change in color. Alright, the bun?
Don't forget about the chili.
I know. I'm just building it up. The bun is horribly stale. Alright, let's get the chili out. It's warm to the touch, but it's not.
Not gonna be.
Come on, D, say it's not steaming.
Hang on.
This is a hobo hot dog.
It's not good. It looks like it's actually more frozen coming out. Oh,
All right, here we go. The bun is horrible. All right. Wow. 1 out of 10. 1 out of 36. I give this hot dog a 1.